How to make posts unshareable on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Over here, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then, go to Profile and Tagging. Here, go to the Viewing and Sharing section. Turn off the Allow Others to Share Your Posts to Their Story option. This means that no one will be able to share your posts on Facebook. Now, go back and open your profile. Scroll down and go over to any of your posts. As you can see, your post is shareable as there is a share button available. Now, tap on the three dots over the post as shown. Then, tap on Edit Privacy. Here, you can choose the audience for your post. Select Only Me. This means that only you can view your posts. Then, tap on Save below. Now, go back to that post and you will find the share button is no longer there. Following these steps, you can easily make posts unshareable on Facebook.